Hey guys, this is dietitian Nirmala Srihari Prakash. In this video, we're gonna see what are the 5 natural ways to increase your testosterone in males. We all know that testosterone is a male sex hormone or otherwise called as androgen. This hormone plays a vital role in every man for their fertility, for boosting up their physique and for their mental health too. So, what are the 5 natural ways to increase it or improve it? Number 1, saturated fat. Saturated fat, we all know, very abundantly present in non-vegetarian foods, isn't it? But apart from taking it from non-veg, it's very good to take from your plant-based foods. Saturated fats from plant-based foods like coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut, olive oil and groundnut oil. These oils gives you a very good improvement in your testosterone level, and these you should be taking in rotation. Not regularly sticking to one oil is not at all good, right? And here one more thing must be noticed. While in bodybuilding, I always suggest our men to take these seed oils like olive oil and as well as sesame oil, coconut oil and groundnut oil, because while in bodybuilding it is very good for them to boost their performance and also for increasing their testosterone levels. Number 2, omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3 fatty acids are very important and playing a vital role in production of men as well as women sex hormones. This omega-3 is what the essential fatty acids. This cannot be produced naturally by our liver, so it should be taken from our food sources like nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, which are the richest source of this omega-3 fatty acids, and it satisfies our RDA from ICMR on taking 7 whole walnuts per day. And also almonds, of a handful of almonds will satisfy per day of this omega-3 fatty acids. Also, if you are non-vegetarian, taking fishes twice in a week will satisfy this omega-3 fatty acids, or you can go for a fish oil, means the supplements, with the help of your diet consultant. As well as the seeds like chia seeds. I usually recommend our men to take chia seeds or the melon seeds other than flax seeds. So this will also help you to improve your testosterone levels. Number 3, vitamin D. Vitamin D3, this is what converted from vitamin D1 with the help of sunlight. We all know that, right? So sunlight plus our cholesterol, these two components are very important for producing our vitamin D3, which is the very active form for production of our hormones. Vitamin D is what very important for our homeostasis and for the maintenance or for balancing our hormones. So vitamin D is very vital for producing your testosterone and for balancing it. So vitamin D1 sources like milk and milk products as well as mushroom, all these vitamin D1 sources are what converted into vitamin D3 with the help of sunlight and cholesterol. Many men, they restrict on taking their cholesterol or the fat, even in bodybuilding, right? You would have heard of it. So that is very wrong. Completely avoiding your fat from your diet is what very unhealthy, and that will not make you success in your goal. So taking minimum of 20% fat is what very mandatory. This is what evident from each of my bodybuilding client. I have framed their diet plans with 20% of fat with 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil. So kindly don't avoid your fat. That is what very good for your testosterone. Number 4, detox and de-stress. Detoxification of your liver is very important for your healthy body mechanism and for your production of testosterone. Stay tuned to know how to detox your liver and how to de-stress yourself. Number 5, nutritional supplements are very important for improving your testosterone levels. Supplements like ashwagandha, shilajit, nettle leaves and Chinese ginseng. These 4 are very important for improving your testosterone, and these should be taken under the guidance or from your health professional advice. It depends upon the suitability also for your medical conditions. And also to be noted, these supplements should be taken from the minimum dosage of 250 mg and it can be increased further. So keep in mind, Without your health professional advice, never take these supplements. The positive effects of these supplements are also evident with my every bodybuilding clients. I hope this video is useful for every man. Stay tuned for more mental and sexual health videos and for the diet plans. Simple Scientific is life changing. Have a healthy lifestyle.